Let's take a look at this toy shopping basket set. This is from IKEA Låtsas. Costs around 1049 rupees or $14 or so. Those are the things you get in the packaging. Quite a simple packaging. These are machine washable, made in Indonesia, 100% polyester. I think so many of these could be avoided by putting a QR code or something. So let's see how it looks. They have so many of these tags. There is even a QR code. Kind of surprised IKEA hasn't optimized these tags yet. That's how the basket looks. The whole thing is made out of cloth. It has a velvety finish to it. That's supposed to be the cheese slice. That's pineapple. I'm guessing that's supposed to be capsicum. I'm guessing some kind of meat or a fish. We get few pieces of pasta, few hot dogs or beans maybe. We get a fish. And a brinjal. That's a interesting shopping basket. I wonder what dish you could make with all of these. Quite a fun toy by IKEA. Quite nice. Check it out.